This is Mike, and that is Mike's mom. When Mike was little, he drove his mom crazy with his creativity.
Mike!
It found its way onto everything. Her clothes,
Mike!
the windows, even the walls. Eventually, Mike's mom put a stop to his creative project once and for all. Which just goes to show that moms aren't always right. Mike now makes a living using his creativity, producing window graphics, customizable clothing, stickers, and more with HP Latex Print and Cut solution. And with HP Signage Suite in the box, you can bring your ideas to life in 3 simple steps. Software, printer, and cutter work as one, so you can print and cut at the same time and produce twice as fast. HP Latex Print and Cut, the true print and cut solution.